Hi everyone, this is Rio Kabawatan, also known as the Royal Properties, presenting you Abida Properties by Ayala Land. By the way, let me introduce myself. I am Rio Kabawatan. I took up Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant and Management at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Yung mga previous jobs ko before, puro sa sales na din siya talaga. And also, nagkaroon na din ako ng experience from other developers. A short briefing lang about Abida. Abida is one of the best developer here in the Philippines. In over 3 decades, kilalang kilala ang Abida sa real estate business, not just offering condominiums, but they also offer house and lots only. Abida Property is all around here in the Philippines, including Metro Manila, Laguna, Batangas, Pampanga, and Bulacan. As you can see, ganun naka-establish si Abida when it comes to real estate business. I am now here in Nuvali, the largest eco-development project in Ayala Land. Within the vicinity area ng Nuvali, makikita natin dito ang iba't ibang establishments like Ayala Malls, church, school, open parking spaces, and other establishments like SNR, Landers, Seda Hotel, and Qualimed. Here in Nuvali, nahati siya into 4 segments: the Nuvali North, Nuvali South, Nuvali Central, and Nuvali Heights. It composed of 2,400 hectares and twice the size of Makati and 10 times the size of BGC. Maybe some of you might wondering why here in Nuvali. Bakit dito ko napiling mag-focus? It's because Nuvali will be the next BGC in the South. And if you are a first-time buyer, rest assured you are in safe hands with Abida. And now, as part of Abida, I am here to assist you from reservations of units, turnovers, and bank financing. You can reach me out via message or Viber at 0975-737-8911 or in my Facebook account at Rio Kabawatan and in my Facebook page at The Royal Properties. Thank you for joining me here in my journey at Abida. Don't forget to like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe for my next update on my next videos. Once again, this is Rio Kabawatan presenting you Abida Properties by Ayala Land.